guys, what's up? I am back with another code point video for you guys. So let's get started. But before we do that, please consider subscribe and like. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like to my YouTube channel, so you can get the latest updates of it. Now before I continue, hopefully you are enjoying my videos and you are learning something from them. Okay, so let's get started. And again, a quick warning, if you haven't checked out my previous video on it, part 1 of it, so you're not gonna get anything from today's video, because there's a part 1 of form. I'm gonna link that in the description box. So if you haven't checked that out, please go ahead and do it, so you can follow us from that video, part 1 to part 2. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, how to make this password field over here work. So if I come to my browser, I'm going to show you what I mean. If I type anything over here, you can see there's letters coming in front of me. Anyone can see it. Okay, sometimes it's not safe, sometimes you just feel a bit like not sure if you want to do it in front of anyone or not. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to add them like in a password field. Okay, like you shouldn't show it to anyone except from you. Even not from you, okay? Not even you can see it, okay? So first of all, we're gonna come to our password field and we're gonna add here at the text part, as you can see, type equals, and we're gonna do here password, okay? Once we have done that, we're gonna do the same for here, password, and we're gonna save that. We're gonna come back to our browser, and if we add any password over here, you can see no one can see it. Okay, and if you want to see it, you can click on this eye icon over here and you can see it over here. See for this one and not for this one, because if you're adding an email to here, as I have said over here, password, retype your password. Okay, now how to make our button responsive. So if we click on our button, it takes us to a new page. Okay, so if I add a link, a ref, do a href equals, and we're gonna do here button.html. Create a new file in here naming button.html. Once you have done that, you're gonna come here and we're gonna add an exclamation sign, and we're gonna name it successful. Okay, so we know it's successful. Oh no, I think we should add here responsive. Yeah, responsive, and come here, add a heading h1. Hopefully it worked. Save, and we're gonna actually add a little paragraph here saying paragraph and generate me lorem 300. Okay, I want 300 words. Saved. Come back, index.html, and we're gonna do here button.html, wherever you have named your file as the one which we are doing for button. Okay, we're gonna close it, we're gonna enter, so we get a bit of space for button, and we're gonna do over here button. We're gonna do that, and we're gonna add there, let's just do click me. Okay, oops, and I'm gonna do exclamation signs, press save, come back, type our email, password, and another password, and click me. There we go, it worked, guys. Clap for yourself. Now if you want a go back button, so if you have messed something out and we wanted to go back, so what we have to do is we have to create another href icon, not icon but link, a href equals, and we're gonna name it index.html. Oops, I didn't add a dot html. So we are actually telling it to go back to our index.html page over here. And over here, we're doing the opposite. We are telling him to go to the button file, so it took you here. Okay, hopefully it worked. And press Ctrl S. Let's see the magic. Come back, refresh. Oh, where's it gone? Have we done something wrong? Oh yeah, we haven't added a button over here. My mistake. My bad. Button, and we're gonna add here go back. Save. Come back. Here we go. We got a button. Click on it, and we are back. Click me. Again. Go back. Let's go, guys. So hopefully it worked for you guys and you enjoyed my video. I'm gonna come in my next video with another best idea for you guys and interesting one, so it help you guys to make more beautiful websites. Yeah, if you like my video, please subscribe and like my video, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe it. It just encourages me to create more beautiful and interesting content for you guys, so you can learn something from it. Okay, thank you very much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.